a hot mess.
And I look like a hot mess.
And together, we're
a hot mess. Hi.
Hi. This is life.
Yeah.
So we're making foods.
Cooking with Patricia and Patrisha.
Yeah, we're doing this thing where we put this mixture into this bowl, and then we're gonna mix it up, and then we're gonna put it in the oven and see what it does.
Yeah, this could go one of two ways.
Yep. So you take the stuff.
So you take the stuff.
Oh, these are brownies.
Yeah. Okay. I'll need scissors. Actually, no. We're gonna do this the fun way.
I don't need scissors. I can literally just tear this open.
We're
I just tore it open.
Oh.
Did you forget that's a thing?
Okay.
This smells like hot chocolate.
Can I smell?
Right? Okay. Okay, who does the wet stuff? Okay, you do the water and I do the oil, right?
Yes, we both have. Actually, no, we'll do the eggs last.
Yeah. Because the eggs are the funnest part.
Yes. I just love to crack open their skulls. That's a very bad joke. I should not have made that. I'm a terrible person.
You really are.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I regret nothing.
We need 3 tablespoons of water.
I know
this
that.
Is our second one. 2.
Okay, please.
You can do it. You can do it.
All I can imagine is Brendan Urie in the background saying, singing "This is Gospel." Thank you. This
3.
is gospel.
Okay. Next we need.
Gospel.
I need just all of this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or until like that line.
Wait. What? Where?
I'll
Oh.
tell you when to stop. There.
Okay. Half a
So
cup
you pour
of vegetable oil.
half a cup of vegetable oil, and
And
then time to get crack-a-lackin'.
get out.
You know that pun was excellent.
Get out. Get out. You're not allowed.
Come on, don't you love a good yolk every once in a while?
Stop it. 1.
2.
Okay. And then
Oh, shoot.
these. Just put them. Yeah, put that.
Good enough.
Good job.
And now we add more chocolate.
Because we are.
Because we can.
Yes.
Deal with it.
How much do we add? Like,
I don't know. You want me to rinse that out?
yeah, rinse it out, and we can just pour it into that and add half a cup of chocolate into it.
Ow.
Does that sound right?
Uh-huh. Sounds good. Please, just one.
Huh?
Just let me eat one.
Maybe. I'll think about it.
So you poured the chocolate chips.
Here, that's one that you can eat.
Using vegetable oil.
Okay.
Why did I put this in here?
Are we taking turns mixing?
That's up to you. Shoot. Made a
How about I
mistake.
mix? We mix until we get tired, and then we switch.
Got it.
Yeah, very good. Your whisk is weird.
I don't know.
So you take the whisk.
So you take
We might need more water, actually. Maybe. Yeah, we will probably need more water.
Power levels increasing.
Don't do that. Oh, okay, never mind. Just a little bit, though, not too much.
Is that good?
Yes, this is the wrong type of mixing tool. I don't know why I grabbed this.
Do you want a spoon?
Yes, kind of.
Tell me where you hid the chocolate.
Would you like to eat this?
Tell me where you hid the chocolate.
You know what? No, you don't get to eat it.
No, I want to eat the chocolate.
That's because you went.
Please. Thank you.
Be careful. Don't let it get anywhere.
Okay. What are you saying, I'm sure?
Huh?
Nothing.
Was it good?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
And you say I'm immature.
You are.
I am not.
Yes, you are.
Baka.
Show of hands in the comments who's immature.
Certainly not me.
Yes.
I'm the most mature.
How long do we mix this until it's smooth, or
I
like?
think so. I'm assuming so.
Until well blended. Would you like to
Blended Yuri. I'm so sorry.
mix this? Do it. Get the stuff off
I'm
the
getting
sides.
all mixed up in life.
Stop it. You have a problem.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do. I made a mistake.
I think this is about as mixed as it's gonna get, considering the chocolate chips are in here.
You can mix the other one since I mixed these. You can.
Wait, what?
I was gonna give you one.
Oh, okay. Thank you. They're great, aren't they?
This is dark chocolate.
I know.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, me too. It's not that bad.
I like dark chocolate actually.
It's nice. Those does have nuts in it.
Okay, so now we. Okay, we're good. Why would you? Do not eat that.
I'm not gonna eat
Not
it
yet.
yet.
Wait, no, I get this one.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, this
You
one
got
is a lot more than
got
what
the-
I got.
So
So you pour the chocolate.
yeah, into your nice little pan.
Just keep doing that over there. Yep, smooth. Totally help. So, hi.
Oh, I remember. You said that we needed to make a video, but we already did. Did you forget?
Patricia,
Mhm.
I uploaded that video.
You did.
The not the store one, the other one.
Which one? What one? What?
The one of you dancing.
No. What if Sushi watches that?
Then Sushi will laugh at your failure. That is your life.
No.
I'm kidding. I doubt a whole lot of people even watch your channel. But that's okay.
That's a lie. You know that's a lie.
Yeah, I know it's a lie. Thank you. Thank you. You, sir. You, right there.
You right there. Right there.
Hello,
Right
good
there.
sir. Good morning.
Patricia, right there. Right there.
Would you like me to sell them something?
No, I did all the selling today because someone was a shy little potato. She hid behind the mannequin.
So, would you like to purchase my blender?
That's not a blender.
Going once, $12.99. Going twice, $13.99.
Okay, how long does this need to be in there for?
For a lot more than,
Dinosaur chicken nuggets?
yeah, totally did not just drop that. For 40 minutes. So, I guess we can play, oh. We're gonna have to save this for another episode, Patricia.
No, why?
Because my phone is, not able to look up the questions.
Okay. Mine is.
Okay.
Do you want to put it in the oven? That's your part of teamwork. Because I'm scared too.
Why are you scared too?
Because the oven is a scary place.
Well, yeah, I know that, but still.
I'm always afraid that I'm going to burn something.
Well, you can also burn.
No, I mean like burn like the house down, not myself.
Like Sandra's?
What? Just put the brownies in the oven.
I do what I want, ma'am. Ma'am. Shoot. This could go one or two ways. Okay, grab the other one. Shoot, if I burn myself, it's your fault.
Why the second row?
Huh?
I mean, that's fine. Okay, close it.
And
And now we wait.
that's a lot more than what I need. Shoot.
This takes
40.
no, not 40 minutes. What are you talking about? 26 at most for this pan.
Is that it? How come it takes 20 extra minutes? Because the pan is
No, it takes 20 extra minutes because that's a lot. There's more batter.
20. Okay. Well, that concludes me almost making a very bad mistake.
Why would you put potato chips in your brownies?
I don't know. Who does that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is how you make brownies
Yeah, well,
the efficient way.
yeah, we'll show you the brownies in the next video. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing? Click off the video already. It's ending. Go.
But
Bye.
me?